Nissan Armada. Customer complaint. Blower fan motor, front blower fan motor working every time when on the ignition switch. This is the common failure for Nissan Armada. There is fault in the blower control module. I confirm the customer complaint. When I off the air condition blower fan from the main switch, the blower fan working directly, not off from here. There is the blower fan is working in full speed every time. There is one module in passenger side. In this video I will show you location and wiring diagram. Customer complaint when on the ignition switch on and the blower fan working fully in high speed every time. Behind this cover located the module, blower fan control module. This is passenger side. Located this module behind the dashboard. Underneath the dashboard, there is the location. This is connector, 4-pin connector, 5.5 millimeter toe screw. Remove this, and I fix one. I use one. This is 5.5 millimeter to screw, one this side and one this side. Now I remove this. This is the blower fan control module, 4-pin. This is old one, and I have another one, used one to be fixed. This is old. This is one use. I buy from junkyard and fix. This is 4-pin. Pin number 1, white wire, ignition switch on, be positive. This is main, be positive. The second one AC amplifier signal wire. Third one provide ground to the blower fan motor, and the fourth one is a chassis ground. This is a chassis ground. This is connector. For the module, this is the module connector. Pin 1 is be positive when on the ignition switch. Pin 2 the AC amplifier signal wire. Pin 3 provide a ground to the blower fan motor, and pin 4 is chassis ground. Now I fix the module. Everything working fine now. I off, the blower fan is off. When I on, the blower fan is on. This is a common failure for the Nissan Armada. Common failure. Thank you for watching.